Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya Kaluria, Assistant Professor from the Department of the Basic Science from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj University, Panvel, Mumbai. Now we are just going to start our lecture on the probability theory. In this lecture, we are just seeing the following outcomes here. Learning outcome, that is define probability, explain random experiments, identify the sample space and events, calculate simple probabilities, solve coins and dice problems, describe the real life applications. So we will gonna start our lecture. What is probability? Probability is a branch of mathematics that measures the likelihood of an event occurring. What is probability? The chance of events is occurring is known as a probability. Suppose for example, will the rain is happen or not? Tomorrow rain will happen or not? So there is a chance of the event which is happen or not. In the probability, there is a range lies between the 0 to 1. 0, which is the impossible event. The event is not going to be happen, which is impossible. For example, the sun rises in the west, which is the impossible event. Sun never rises from the west. 1, which is a certain event. In the certain events, there is a probability is that which is gonna showing the event is happen, definitely will happen. For example, sun rises in the east every day. Definitely sun will rises east every day. Between 0 and 1, that is a probability event, possible events. In the possible events, what is that? There is a probability or the chance of the to toss a coin. Where is a head? There is a two outcomes is that which is head or tail. There is a chance of the possible event is that whether the head will come or tail will come. So there is a 50-50% chance of the possible events. Need for the probability. What is the need for the probability? The probability helps us to make the decisions under the uncertainty. What is the examples? Where is the weather forecasting? Weather forecasting, for the probability we are just using, there is a 80% chance of the for the raining tomorrow. Medical diagnosis. For the medical diagnosis, we are just using for the medical test purposes, for the result analysis. Banking and insurance. There is a banking insurance, there is a risk of the accidents are happens. Artificial intelligence. In the artificial intelligence, the Netflix is recommending the movies such as movies, songs, products and all this. These comes under the artificial intelligence. Sports analytics. In the sports analytics, the probability helps us to analyze the performance of the player strategies and all this on the basis of the matches for the winning there is a chances of the matches are winning or not. Characteristics. What is the characteristic? The repeatable under the identical conditions. The conditions are more than one possible outcome. There is a two or more possible outcomes are going to be occurs. Outcome is uncertain. Outcomes are well defined or well structured. There is the sample space are the well defined or the in the format of the proper structures. Sample space. Sample space is a set of the all possible outcomes. The sample space is always denoted by the S. Here is an example. Coin, which is head or tail. Second one, die. There is a die, we are just tossing. There is a 6 possible. 6 apples are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to the 6. Here 2 coins are tossing, which is the probability we are just getting. Head, tail, head or tail, tail. Which is H or T, that is represented as a head. First probability of head, second is also head. H or T is representing as is a tail. Types of the sample space. Here are the types are there. We are just going to see finite. Finite, in the finite sample space, there is a finite limiting outcomes are going to be existence, such as the line outcome. If we are just following a line, there is a 1 to 6 are limited outcomes we are just going to be taking. Second one is infinite. Infinite number of the customers arriving. In the infinite, there is an indefinite number of customers arriving in the shop. So we are just not able to be count. That is a indefinite, means uncountable. Second one is a discrete. Discrete means countable outcome, which as we are just going to be count. For example, number of students, marks of the students. Second one, continuous. Continuous, which is the measures in the specific interval of time, such as height, weight, time, or temperature. Event. An event is a subset of a sample space. For example, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is a sample space are going to be there. In this, we are just choosing the only the given number. Then the event is A is equals to only given number we have to choose, like 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, that are the even number. That event are going to be the number. The types of the event. Here are the following types of the events are simple event, compound event, certain event, impossible events, complementary events, and mutually exclusive events. Simple events are going to be the probability which is lies only the one limited outcome. Compound events, impossible events, that are the following types of the events are there. Classical probability. Here is the formula of the probability, that is a P of P is equals to favorable outcome divided by the total outcome. What is the favorable outcome? If suppose we are just rolling a die, there is a we have to be choose only the even numbers. So what is the favorable outcomes are? There is a even number only 2, 4, 6 divided by total outcome is, that is a total 6. So we have to be divided by, that is undergoes to the total outcome. Here the conditions are that outcomes are equally likely, and second one, total outcomes which is always greater than 0. Examples. Here I will just take the examples of the coin tossing. First example, that is we have to be toss the one coin. Sample case we have to be take H or D, which is we have to be toss the coins at one time. We have to be get the probability where is the head or tail. Head. Probability of head, we have to be chances of it 1 by half. There is a 50% we are just getting the chance head, or 50% chance of the getting the tail. So both outcomes are equally right because we are just getting the probability of head 1 by 2 and probability of head, that is a 1 by 2. That is a probability of chances, that is a 50-50%. Second one, sample space. We are just tossing the coins 2 times. That is the head HH, HT, TH or TE. So we have to be, what is the requirement is that exactly one head. In this, we have to be required only exact one head in the first number, which is HT or TH. So probability, there is a 2 by 4. 2 by 4, that is a 1 by 4. So 2 heads we just get 1 by 4. There is a total probability of 2 heads we just get 1 by 4. So this is the examples of coin tossing. Here are the real time applications. First one, weather predictions. In the weather predictions, we are just reading the forecasting temperatures, such as whether the rain is going to be happen or not. That the predictions under comes, which is the weather predictions. Insurance premium calculations, we can calculate the risk under the risk of the line accidents. Medical testing, for medical testing we will use for the diagnostic test treatment purposes. Machine learning, In the machine learning, we are just using for the probability, for the analyzing, for the classifications, algorithms, for all these purposes. Recommendation system. In the recommended system, the probabilities analyzing for the searching the movies from the Netflix, songs. What is the songs recommended on the probability? We are just analyzing on the basis of the users. Stock market analysis. In the stock market analysis, there is a we are just finding the trends, investments of the analysis for the basis of the predictions of the past results. Here are the summary. Probability measures and uncertainty. Second one is the random experiments produce the uncertain outcomes. Second, sample space contains all the outcomes. Here the events are subset of the sample space. And last, formula here the favorable outcomes divided by the total outcomes.